Hello world, today we are going to make a maze game in code.org. This is a part of this video, and in the last video we made our walls. In today's video we are going to group the walls and apply some sprites to it. Now let's start. First let's go to code.org. And then sign in. After signed in, click on projects. Then scroll down and then click on your project. This was our project that we did in our previous video. Now let's start by adding our thief or for our sprite. So let's go to sprites. Let's drag this first command and put it lost. I'm putting it here. Okay. Now I'll name it as thief. Let's set equal to create sprite. I'll make it as 280 the x coordinate and then 370 the y coordinate. If I reset and run it, we have a big square here. Now let's set some animation to it. So let's go to the animation tab. I have already loaded my animations. If you want, you can load it from Google or draw your own. So I already have my animation here. Let's go to code again. So I'll drag the second command and put it here. Now I'll put thief, the set animation, thief.png. If I run it, we have our thief here. I'll make it as like 275 instead of 280. If I reset and run it, it's right here. This is perfect. Now let's make our thief move up and down. So let's go to control. Let's drag this if condition and put it here. Now let's put if. Let's go to world. Let's drag this keyrun command and put it inside the if condition. Now I'll put up, if keyrun up. Let's go to sprites. Let's drag this sprite.y command and put it here. Now I'll put thief.y equal to thief.y, but now I will make minus like 10. If I reset and run it, if I check, yes, it's going up 10 pixels. But now it has created a loop. To cover the loop, let's create a background. So let's go to drawing. Let's drag this background command and put it inside the function draw. The background will already be set it to white defaultly. If you want, you can change it. I will just make it white. If I reset and run it, now it's going 10 pixels up. Now let's make it go down, left, right. So let's go to control. Let's drag this if condition and put it here. Now let's go to world. Let's drag this keyrun command and put it here. Now I'll put down. Now let's go to sprites. Let's drag this sprite.y command and put it here. Now we'll put thief.y equal to thief.y, but now let's put plus 10. So it would go down 10 pixels. So yes, it's going up and coming down. Now let's make it go right and left. So let's go to control. Let's drag this if condition and put it here. Now let's go to world. Let's drag this keyrun command and put it here. Now I'll put right. Now let's go to sprites. Let's drag this sprite.x command and put it here. Now let's put thief.x equal to thief.x plus 10. That means it has to go 10 pixels in the x coordinate. If I reset and run it, yes, it's working. It's going 10 pixels up and down. So now let's make it go left. So let's go to the if condition. Now let's drag this keyrun command and put it here. Now I'll put if keyrun left. Now let's go to sprites. Let's drag the sprite text command and put it here. Now I'll put, I'll just scroll down a little. Okay. Now let's put thief dot x equal to thief dot x, but let's put minus 10. So I reset and run it. Yes, it's going left, it's going up, it's going right, it's going down. Yes, everything is working properly for our controls for our thief. But there's a problem. Our thief is going through our walls. It cannot go through our walls. So for that, we have to make some if condition saying that if like thief.is is touching wall 1, the thief has to bounce off. So for that, we have to create a if condition. But if we create a if condition for all 23 walls, it would be so hard. So now let's create a group for it, so it can be easier. So let's go to groups. So let's drag this first command and put it here outside the function draw or inside. Now I'll put walls as the group name. Walls. Now I'll put walls dot add wall 1. So let's do it for all 22 walls. So I'll just copy this command and I'll just paste it. Now I'll put wall 2 and make this as wall 3 and make this as wall 4. I'll make this as wall 5. I'll make this as wall 6 and make this as wall 7. Make this as wall 8, wall 9, wall 10, wall 11, wall 12, wall 13, wall 14, wall 15. Now let's scroll down. Now I'll put wall 16. And this has wall 17. I'll make this as wall 18. I'll make this as wall 19. I'll make this as wall 20. Wall 21. Wall 22. Wall 23. Now we have grouped all our walls. I'll just take this extra one out. Now let's create our if condition. So let's go to control. So let's drag this if condition and put it here in our function draw. Now I'll put if thief dot is touching walls now let's put the, go to sprites. Let's scroll down. Let's drag this bounce if command and put it here. Oh, inside the if condition, not outside. Now we'll put thief that bounce off walls. If I reset and run it, now it's not going through our walls. Now if you want, you can also change your walls color. For that, let's go to groups. Let's drag this group.set color each command and put it outside our function draw. Now let's go to walls dot set color each. It will be defaultly blue, but if I reset and run it, now my walls color are blue. but I will just make this as black. If I reset and run it, now our walls are black now. Now let's create a diamond here. So for that, let's go to sprites. Let's drag this command and put it here. Now I'll put diamond. Let's set animation. I'll put 375 as the x coordinate, and then 375 as the y coordinate. If I reset and run it, we have a big square here. Now let's set some animation to it. So let's go to animation. Let's click on new animation, and then I will click on gameplay. I'll just scroll down checking for oh, it's here, this gold coin. So I'll just make this as the diamond. I'll just color this inside the gold coin, so it would look like a diamond inside the gold coin. So let's go to blue. I'll just color it pink bucket. So now let's go to code again. So let's drag this Part2 set animation command, put here. I will put diamond dot set animation coin 1, gold coin. Yes, it's here. Now let's make it smaller. It's very big. So let's drag the scale command and put it here. Now let's put diamond dot scale equal to 0.5. If I reset and run it, we have our diamond here, or a gold coin. Now let's make our walls right here. We have 3 walls here. So let's drag this first command and put it here. Now let's put green as the first wall. Now I will put this x coordinate as like 310, y coordinate as 370. Now I'll set its width as 40, no, not 40, 10, and its height as 40. If I reset and run it, we have a line here. Now let's set some color to it. So let's scroll down and drag the shape color command and put it here. Now I'll put green, dot set shape color equal to green inside inverted commas. Green. Okay. Now if I reset and run it, now our wall's color is green now. Now let's create our red wall and our blue wall. So let's drag this first command and put it here. Now we'll put red and set its x coordinate as 330, y coordinate as 370, and set its width as 10, height as 40. Now if I reset and run it, we have another line here. Now let's set some color to it. So let's drag the shape color command and put it here. Now I'll put red. Let's set shape color equal to red. If I reset and run it, now we have a red wall here. Now let's create our blue wall. So let's go to drag this first command, put it here. Now let's go blue. I'll make its x coordinate as 350, y coordinate as 370, width as 10, and then height as 40. If I reset and run it, we have another wall here. Now let's set some color to it as blue. Let's scroll down. Let's drag the shape color command and put it here. Now let's put blue. Shape color is equal to blue. Now we have our blue wall here. But we have another problem here. Like we had before, our thief could go through our walls. So if I check, yes, it's going through our walls. But let's make it not go through our walls. So for that, let's go to control. Let's drag this if condition and I'll put it at the last. And let's put it here. Now let's put if thief dot is touching green now let's put thief at bounce of green. So that means the green will be blocking our other walls. So if I check, yes, now I cannot go through our green because we don't have to create it for other walls, because if we can go through our green, we cannot go to through any of our walls. So now let's create our policeman here. So let's drag this first command and put it here. Now I'll put police equal to create sprite. Now I'll put its x coordinate as like 300 and 300. I'll put its y coordinate as 200. And I'll make it okay. 200 is x coordinate, y coordinate as 300. Okay. But now I'll make it. I don't have to set a width and height for it. So now let's set some animation to it. So we'll make it as police. That's animation. Police.png. We reset and run it. We have our police here. I'll just get it a little up and make it as 290 or 280. Now we have our police here. I'll just make it a little shorter. So for that, let's drag this get scale width command and put it here. Oh, not this get scale width command. Let's go to animation. Let's go to this police. Let's click on resize. Let's take this option, which is main aspect ratio. Let's take it out. Now I'll set its height as like 42 or 43. By resize. Let's go to code again. Let's run it. Now it's working. I'll make its x coordinate as like 70. 270 or 275. Yes, 275 will be perfect. Now we have our police here. Now let's do some velocity x to our police. So let's go to sprites. Let's go up. Let's drag this velocity x command and put it here. Oh, not inside it, outside. So police dot set velocity x equal to 4. If I reset and run it, yes, it's going, but it has to bounce off. It cannot go through our walls. So let's create a if condition. Let's go to control. Let's drag this if condition. And put it here. Now let's put police dot is touching walls. Now let's go to sprites. Let's scroll down and drag this sprite dot velocity. Sprite dot bounce of command and put it here. Now let's go thief. Oh, not police. Police, not thief. Police dot bounce of walls. If I reset and run it, yes, it's bouncing off, but it's just going here to here. It's not going here to here because we have to debug it. Its collider is bigger. So let's click on this debug sprites and check. Our collider is a little longer, so let's make it shorter. So let's drag this sprite.set collider command and put it here. Down. Okay. Now let's put police dot set collider and make it as rectangle and set its x offset as 0, y position as 0. That means like it has to stay in the position that it is now. So now I'll set its width as like 10 and then height as like 20. If I reset and run it, now let's click on this debug sprites command. Now it's working. It's going here to here. I will just increase its velocity a little to make it as like 6. Oh, 6 is a lot. I'll make it as like 5. Let's reset. Now it's working. It's going properly. So this is all for this video, guys. Let's meet in the next video. In the next video, we're going to add some more sprites and add some more functions. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.